Hi student, today's topic is object drawing. Today we will see how to draw mug and bucket. First we have to draw middle line and opposite two lines we will draw parallel to each other standing line. First we will draw a box to create a bucket. And you can see above how round shape I have drawn. This is the upper part of the bucket. Then you will draw one slanting line on the left side and one more slanting side on the right side. The distance between for the two lines slanting line should be same from the middle line. See, you can see I am drawing the base of the bucket now. Okay, now I am drawing the handle of the bucket. Draw it properly. So like this you have to draw the handle of the bucket. Okay, now I am drawing the mug. First you have to draw the middle line, then you will draw the side parallel line, then you will draw the curve shape about the face of the mug. Then I am drawing the strip of the mug. It should be round in shape. I am drawing the face tip of the mug. Now I am drawing the slanting line. You can see now that I have drawn the base, that should also be the in the round shape. Then I am drawing the handle of the mug. Like this you have to draw the handle also. So like this we will color now with the blue color for the basket. See, when you're coloring the basket, decide which side is the highlight. The highlight I will draw on the right color on the right, and now I have started the dark shade from the left side. First I have taken the dark blue color. You can see first I am coloring the dark blue color, Persian blue color. I am using the oil pastel color to color the basket. You can use pencil color also, you can use the poster colors also, that is your choice. And mostly in the intermediate exam, elementary exam, we can see the bucket and the mug are kept mostly. So now I am coloring the medium blue color, ultramarine blue color. After that I will color with the light blue color. So I have colored that. Now I am coloring with the light blue color. You have to color it and you have to mix that blue all three color with each other. You can see I am coloring on the corner also. Keep some white portion for the highlight on the bucket. You can see on the corner I kept the highlight, and now I am coloring the medium shade on the corner of the bucket. It will look round in shape properly. Now merge all the color. Now I am coloring the white color and merging in the light blue color. Like this I have to do. Now I am coloring the strip of the bucket. First with the dark blue color, then I will take the medium blue color, and after that I will use the light blue color. I will keep some space for the highlight also. Now you can see I kept the space for the highlight, and again on the tip of the bucket strip I have colored with the medium blue color. Now I am coloring the highlight with the white color. Okay, I am mixing that color with the light blue color. Now when you are coloring inside the basket, you will color the dark side on the right side, dark color on the right side. See, you can see first I have colored the dark color on the left side, but when you are coloring inside you will color it with the dark color on the right side, then the medium color, then the light color, and then last the white color. You will mix all three colors, you will merge it together. See, like this I am coloring, you can see. And on the left side also corner you will color with the light blue color, and it will be merged in the dark blue color. Now down base of the bucket we will color first with the dark blue color, and then with the medium blue color, and then last with the light blue color. Here you will not give the highlight. See, and on the corner also again on the left side I have colored with the light blue. Now we will do the finishing work. I have taken the dark violet color to do the finishing work. You can see how dark it is looking. The bucket is now taking the shape. You can see it is looking round in shape properly. So like this you have to color the dark violet color on the corner of the left side, again on the base, again on the down side of the strips, and you can see like this you have to color, and on the corner of the right side and inside the bucket also you can see I have colored the right side with the dark violet color. On the strip also I am coloring now with the dark violet color. Then again you will take the dark Persian blue color and you will mix in that violet color again. You can see I am merging that color with the violet color. Now it is taking into the proper shape. You can see now you can take the white color, blue color, you will merge with all the colors nicely. You can see I am merging that color nicely. I kept a little bit of white portion for the highlight. You can see now I am coloring the handle of the bucket with the black color. See, only on the corner I am coloring and little bit, and I will take the white color and I will mix with that black color. So like this we will color the handle of the bucket. So like this. See, you can see again I have taken the dark blue color and giving the shadow down to the handle of the bucket. You can see. So like this we will do the finishing work of the bucket. This is the final touch for the bucket. Again I am using the white color for the highlight. I am coloring it properly, doing it final stage of the coloring. See, I am coloring, you can see. Okay, now we are done with the bucket. Now we will start with the mug. Now we will also divide the mug within 3 parts. First part we will color with the dark green color. You can see I am coloring with the dark green color. It is a dark green color, and you can see on the corner I left some space for the light green color. You will not color from the corner of the mug. Now I am coloring the medium green color, and then I will color the light green color. You can see how I am coloring. I am coloring the light green color, and in this also you will leave the space for the highlight on the bucket. You can see I have kept the white portion, and then again on the corner of the mug I am coloring with the dark medium green color, and on the corner of the left side of the dark green I am coloring the medium green. Now again you can see I am coloring the strip of the mug with the dark green, medium green and light green. There also keep some highlight. See, I am coloring how I am coloring. You can see all of you. Okay, I am coloring the handle. The inside part you will color with the dark green, and outside part you will color with the light green color. I am coloring the white color. I am doing the highlight work now. You can see. Now again the inside of the mug you will color on the right side the dark color first, then the medium color, and then the light color, and then the white color. Okay, like this you will color. You can see it looking round now. Again some finishing work. You will take the dark green color. Now you will do the finishing work for the mug, detailing work. Like this we will color the dark color inside the mug also, outside also. Then I am taken the black color. I am doing the final touch to the mug. Now you can see I am giving the dark color. Like this you have to do the coloring work for the mug. After this we will see the shadow. First you will take the black color, then the grey color, and then the white color, and you will merge all 3 colors. And when you are giving the shadow, you will color on the left side of the bucket, because the highlight is on the right side, that's why the shadow will be on the left side. Like this you do the shadow work on the bucket. This is the final touch for the object drawing. Like this you will draw the bucket and the mug. Okay, bye students.